I'm going to present about Shabri's devotion. She is known as sometimes the devotion personified. Yeah. Then by Ravi Zalbe. Yeah, I have taken it from Gita Press Gorakhpur and Valmiki Ramayana by Purna Prajnadas. This one and that one. Yeah. So Jatayu, after meeting Jatayu, Ram, he starts searching for Ravan, and on the way, they meet another. They meet Ayanmukhi. She's like another Shurpanakha. She asks Ram that please marry me, but this time when Ram says no, then she says, "Oh, you'll not give me, then I'll kill you." Then she tries to kill him, but then Lakshman comes and he kills her. Yeah, this I took from Tadka because I didn't find any Ayanmukhi picture. So Kabandha now. So Lord Rama again continues his search for Sita, and in between, when they were 17 miles from Kishkinda, that time from 2 miles, two hands came and they took them, and then they came to a Rakshasa that had his mouth and legs, everything in his stomach. They were surprised. Then what happens is that Lord Rama, he kills this Rakshasa after a lot of talk, and then they burn this Rakshasa. That time a demigod body comes and it tells Lord Rama that please go to Sugriva, he will help you. So then he goes on a chariot that is covered with golden swans. Then on the way they meet Shabri. Now this Shabri, she would live in Matangavan. Matanga was her guru, so she would live in Matangavan. And the speciality of Matangavan was that Matangavan, their tigers used to respect their prey like deers. They used to respect each other. Can you imagine? And fruits used to themselves fall whenever any animal used to feel hungry. So then they meet Shabri. First they ask for food and water. Then Shabri says, "Come in." Then she asks, "Who are you?" Then they tell. And then she just offers obeisances and then tells her history. So her history is that Shabri, when she was young, that time only there was, means, because of her penances, the Brahmalok's doors were open, but still she wanted to see the Lord Vishnu only. So that's why she said, "No, I'll not come now. Please wait for me until I." So Matanga Rishis, every disciple had gone to Brahmalok, but only she was left. So it was something like she was feeling very bad afterwards because never any Lord came. But this time her wish was fulfilled, and so she was really happy. So Rama is told by Shabri where Sugriva lives, that is Rishimukha Parvat. Yeah, and she goes now. Then Lord Rama meets Sugriva in Rishimukha Parvat. I'll not make it right. So now it is a bit of shloka time. Let's read some shlokas from Ramayana, Aranyakand. So Shabri's pastime comes in Aranyakand, 74th chapter of Aranyakand. Yeah. Yeah. या हाँ, अरण्यकांडे चतुःसप्ततिमः सर्गः। श्री राम और लक्ष्मण का पंपा सरोवर के तट पर मतंग वन में शबरी के आश्रम पर जाना, उसका सत्कार ग्रहण करना और उसके साथ मतंग वन को देखना, शबरी का अपने शरीर की आहुति दे दिव्य धाम को प्रस्थान करना। I will read one shloka. It's 6th shloka. Sorry, no, not 6th shloka. 12th. Sorry. Adya me sapalam taptam swargashaiva bhavishyati tvai devavare Rama pujite tvai devavare Rama pujite purusharshabha पुरुष प्रवर श्री राम, आप देवेश्वर का यही सत्कार हुआ, इससे मेरी तपस्या सफल हो गई और अब मुझे आपकी दिव्य धाम की प्राप्ति भी होगी ही। So this is that Shabri. Then she goes into the fire, and then when she goes there, then she is just going in Brahmalok. When the Brahmalok doors get closed, he starts lamenting and crying. But then what happens? Golok doors open. Then the Duta asks them, you have to go to Vaikuntha, Goloka, Ayodhya, or you will go to directly Golok Vrindavan. She didn't know, so she said that I'll go to Golok Vrindavan, and indirectly, instead of Ram, she went to Krishna. That is the story. Next is 2 questions oral quiz. Please raise hand to answer. So first question is that Rama met which Rakshasa first? Okay, okay, Anant.
Ironmukhi.
Yeah, Ironmukhi. Thank you. Second question is that Kabandha. This is a question that I didn't tell. If you know, then you can tell. Kabandha was cursed by dash. Oh no, so many. Okay, Krishna.
Kuber.
Correct answer. So now it is a short quiz.
Wait a minute. What did
he was? His head went in his stomach because of Indra, but he was cursed by Kubera, right? Yeah. So this is a quiz with podium. You just have to answer 1, 2, or 3 in the chat. Then I will tell you. First question: Rama met which Dev Rakshasa first? 10 points, huh? Kabandha, Ironmukhi, Jatayu. Please tell in the chat. I'll see the chat.
But the chat is disabled. We can chat with Prabhuji only.
Prabhuji, can you give them only chat with like Raghuveer? So
given
copy.
Yes.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah. Please give directly to me. Don't give it in every chat. Okay. Okay. So let's see. I am waiting for 10 seconds more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. So the answer is, just a minute. Yeah. The answer is, oh no, yeah, Kabandha is the right answer. Please see, Dev Rakshasa I asked. He was a Deva, but he was cursed to be a Rakshasa. And Mukhi and Jatayu are wrong answer. So the 10 points winner is, who has given first? Yeah, Krishna, I'll say. So everybody else also correct answer. Now let's go to the second question. What was the
question? Wait. Raghuveer, do we have to only write the number, or do we have to also write the
answer.
No. Please write the number only, because some people are kache in typing, so they need just number is okay. So what was the name of the pond there? 10 points. What was the name? Sharayu, Pampa River, Pampa Sarovar. Please give the answer. Oh, sorry. Oh my goodness. Gave the
Answer
answer.
late.
So there, I am again counting till 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now let's go. So the first winner is where can yes. The first winner is Nikunj there. Here. Nikunj gave me the first message. Yeah. 10 points to Nikunj, 10 points to Krishna. Yeah. Pampa Sarovar is the right answer. Pampa River is not anything, and Sharai was near Ayodhya. Yeah. Next is, what was the name of the mountain on which Sugriva used to live with the fear of Vali? This is also 10 points. Mount Everest, Rishi Mukha, Rishi Sukha. Please tell me. Oh no, chat has started. Okay. Yeah, good. Yes, time is up. So Advait, he gets here first. All of the answers are correct, but he has given first, so he will get the 10 points. So type fast also, huh? And don't try to type the answers, because you will lose points. So Rishi Mukha is the right answer. Rishi Sukha and Mount Everest are the wrong answer.
I also wrote Rishi Mukha.
Yes, everybody wrote, but the first answer giver won the points. Array, now there are double the points and all the questions. Just wait for the game. So what was the name of the guru of Shabri? Sharabhanga, Vishwamitra, Matanga. You have to give the answer. Oh no, chat has started. Good. Okay. I can't get me direct answers, man. Yeah, okay. Yes, Advait Patil again. So Advait's 20 points, Krishna's 10 points, and Nikunj's 10 points. Yes, let's go ahead. So let's go ahead. Yeah. Yes. So Matanga is the right answer. Vishwamitra and Sharabhanga are the wrong answers. Now there are many questions. Just wait. Yeah. Kabanta asked Lord Rama to go to 10 points. Sugriva, Vali, the Vanaras. Now this is a bit tricky question. You can think about it. Wow. Okay, Krishna will say 20 points. Good one. Yeah.
What was the answer?
The answer was Sugriv. He tell to Vanaras.
Yes, I
The
put
answer-
Sugriv only.
First question.
I write so.
Array, you have to fast type also. Just not writing, man. Yeah, let's go ahead. Now I think the difficult questions will start. The pastime of Shabari. Oh, sorry, I forgot to tell it. If you know, then you can tell, or if you don't know, then you can't. I mean,
No, you
I
told
don't
this
know.
question. You told it.
The pastime of Shabari feeding in Rama comes in Googly. Double the points, double the points. These are 20 points. Tulsidas Ramayan, Valmiki Ramayan, and Sri Ranganatha Ramayan. If you know, then you can tell. Oh, no. Forgot it. Yes, Nikunj, correct. It's not Valmiki Ramayan. It's Tulsidas Ramayan. Valmiki Ramayan doesn't tell that Shabari feeds those fruits to Ram by eating them and then tasting them. So they are okay. So Nikunj is correct answer. Wow, Nikunj is with 20 points again. tie. Krishna also Advait and Nikunj tie.
No, he did 30. It was 20 points. He had 30 points.
30 points. 30 points. Yeah, I forgot about it. So Tulsidas Ramayana is the right answer. Valmiki Ramayana, Sri Ranganath Ramayana is wrong answer. So let's go ahead. Shabri addresses Lord Rama as. This also I haven't told. This is for you only. And it's multiple choice. So you have to give 1 and 2, 1, 2 like that. Of course, Hey Ramachandra, Hey Ram and Bhagwan Ram. You tell what is the answer. 20 points, huh? Okay, chat. Whoa. Yeah, who is given? Yeah, Krishna also I think is the right. Oh, just a minute. Just a minute. I am checking just. Ew, somebody is annotating, Prabhuji. Yes, Krishna also is the right answer. 20 points. 40 points total, Krishna also. Good. Prabhuji, somebody is annotating. Can you remove the annotation?
How do I remove? I don't have the.
Prabhuji, Nima has to do. You have to do clear all drawings. Raghuveer, you open annotation and there will be clear option. Yeah, done.
वो साइड में तीन बटन है ना उसको क्लिक
Clear
करना
all ना?
Rajesh Srinath is doing. Rajesh Srinath is doing.
ठीक है, okay. I'm making you host. You do, huh?
Prabhuji, we can do it without the
Prabhuji,
host
I don't
permission
know.
also.
How to do, Prabhuji? I don't know.
You have to go
You
to the
just
three
have to
dots.
open the annotation. Annotation में clear करो तो clear all drawings आता है तो.
हो गया. Let's go ahead.
Okay. Go ahead, everyone. We have less time. Go ahead.
Hey Ramachandra and Hey Ram is the correct answer because Shabri never addressed Lord Ram as Bhagwan. Never addressed Lord Ram as Lord. She always addressed him as he is her own son. Hey Ram, like that. Now some super pointing things. Googly double the points, 20 points. Shabri instead of Brahma went to Golok Vrindavan, Golok Ayodhya and Vaikuntha. At 5, Bapre. Yeah. Okay. Krishna Valse. Wow, Krishna Valse, you are really fast. Krishna Valse is again the winner. 60 points. Wow. And second,
can you see
I think
if it
is
is right? If you are seeing right person's name, can you see if you are seeing the right person's name? वो इतना स्लो लिखता है. पहले सबसे पहले डाला.
No, I can see he has given first the correct answer after the second question. Praji.
क्योंकि जैसे उसने गोलोक वृंदावन
it's
कहा
just
तो वन डाल दिया.
मैंने भी तो वही किया ना.
Okay, let's go.
थोड़ा एक सेकंड का
Yes, but you
फर्क
went
जाता है.
अरे निकुंज इसमें क्या है यार, ऐसे नहीं होता. So Nikunj is the second, Advait is the third with 20 points, and Nikunj is the second with 30 points, and Valse is the first with 60 points. Now next question can change everything. It's 40 points. Yeah. So Golok Vrindavan, Golok Ayodhya and Vaikuntha are the wrong answers. Yeah. This question is a tricky one and also it's 40. Shabri tells the secret location of Googly multiple choice double the points. So 40 points. Suryadeva's son, Vali's brother, Sugriv. Now you have to tell me. Chat. Okay. Yeah. Oh my. Okay. Who has given one? Nikunj Lave. Okay, Nikunj. You are the correct answer. Wow. Nikunj is the first with 70 points now. And so answer is all the three. Vali's brother and Sugriv are the same. Suryadeva's son and Sugriv are. Yeah, but it's all.
I gave all three.
Yeah. Yes. So Nikunj is 70 points first. Krishna is second and Advait is third. Wow. Shabari lived in the. This is also double the double points. So 40 points. Matangavan, Matanga Karanya, and Dandakaranya. Yeah, wow. Chat has started. Who has given me first? First. Yeah.
अरे जो जिसने भी फर्स्ट डाला उसका चेक भी करना है ना उसने करेक्ट डाला कि नहीं.
Hana, yes. Just a minute. Yeah.
I can't hear.
Yes. Oh wow. Krishna Valse, तू तो वापस गेम में आ गया. Krishna Valse has won this point. Wow, super.
I just
So
but
60
because
plus, wow, 100 points. So let's go ahead.
Because-
This is the end of the quiz.
100 points.
Yeah. So the third number is congratulations, Advait. With I couldn't write the points. He has 20 points. Second is Nikunj. He is with 70 points. First is Krishna Valse with 100 points. Wow. So now let's go towards the lessons. Lesson is that Shabri waited for Ram even she had the ticket of Satyalok. Means she could go to Satyalok, but she waited for the Lord. Congratulations, everybody, because Valmiki Ramayana says that one who hears the story of Shabri, he also gets the devotional service of Shabri. So congratulations, you have got the devotion of Shabri. Yes, please answer. I'll ask. I could have asked, but there is time loss, so I will only ask the quiz winners. Answer, please. So first we'll go towards Advait. So please tell me, how do you got to know about Ramayana first? Ekdam first time.
when I was small, my sister, my sister would read the Ramayana, so sometimes I would sit next to her and then she would tell.
Okay, and do you like this specific pastime, this Shabari one?
Yeah, I like this pastime because even I want to become like Shabri, and then I'll give some sweets to Rav, and then I'll go in Golak.
Yeah, and from Ramayana, which is your favorite pastime?
Killing of Ravana.
Okay, now let's ask to second Nikunj. Nikunj, how do you got to know about Ramayana first?
My mother, I got those small books for children. My mother got me and she used to read me every night. So from then I've known Ramayana.
So why, yes, and why do you like this specific pastime of Shabri?
I like this specific pastime of Shabri because it shows Shabri's devotion to Ram, and Ram accepts this her devotion.
Yeah, and which is your favorite pastime in Ramayana?
Killing of Mahiraman.
Okay. Sorry. Forgot. Krishna will say, sorry. You answer, please. Sorry. Yeah. How do you got to know about Ramayana first? Forgot only.
I first, when I was small, I heard some Dashavatara slokas. I didn't know about Ram. That was the only avatar I didn't know. So when I first time heard about
Yes.
it, so then I asked my mother, what is this incarnation? So my mother told that this is a Ram incarnation. Then when I became
No, Krishna, we don't have time. So why do you like this specific pastime of Shabri? We don't have time, sorry. Why do you like this specific pastime of Shabri?
I like because Shabri got the blessings of Lord Ram, and I also want blessings of Lord Ram, so that's why. Means I can't tell it.
And last question, which is your favorite pastime? Okay,
all
okay, okay.
Muslims are
So
my
let's
favorite.
go ahead. Sorry. Okay, okay. Let's go ahead. Prabhuji doesn't have time. Yeah. So second lesson is lesson number 2. That is the lesson of Ram is that Lord is ready even to eat his devotees' remnants if they have the love of the devotee. And the last slide. Thank you, Hare Krishna. Thank you for your patient listening.
Haribol.
Haribol.
Haribo, very nice.